Today, we're preparing a vibrant and zesty lemon pepper chicken that's guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Marinated with fresh lemon juice, creamy yogurt, and a punch of black pepper, this tangy chicken gravy pairs perfectly with both rice and bread. Simple, quick, and irresistible. Let's jump right in. First, grab a mixing bowl and add 500 grams of tender chicken. Now, it's time to infuse this chicken with flavor. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 4 tablespoons of creamy yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and green chili paste for that spicy kick. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon to bring in all that zesty brightness. Give it a good mix. We want every piece of chicken thoroughly coated in this flavorful marinade. Let this marinate for at least an hour because the longer it sits, the deeper those flavors get, making the juiciest lemon pepper chicken you'll ever taste. While the chicken is soaking up all those flavors, heat up a pan and start by melting a cube of butter. Let that butter melt down, infusing your pan with its creamy, rich flavor. Once it's melted, pour in 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, it's time to toss in our whole spices: cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and black peppercorns. Let them sizzle and work their magic for about a minute on low flame. Can you smell those aromatic spices? Now, add some freshly crushed ginger garlic and 4 green chilies. Saute them for a minute until that raw aroma fades away. And here comes the star of our dish. Add the marinated chicken, keep the flame on medium-high and give it a good stir. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Don't rush this step. We want the chicken to soak in every bit of that flavorful goodness. Pour any remaining marinade over the chicken to keep it juicy and help form that rich, delicious gravy. Lower the flame and let everything simmer. This slow cooking is where all the magic happens. While that's simmering, let's quickly prepare a simple slurry. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 200 ml of water, making sure there are no lumps. Add this slurry to the pan along with a few more green chilies if you like an extra kick. Toss in some sliced lemon for an added burst of tanginess. If the gravy is too thick, just add a splash of water to adjust the consistency. Finally, Sprinkle some pepper powder and toss in a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Now, switch off the flame and stir in 4 teaspoons of fresh lime juice. This final touch elevates the dish to a whole new level of deliciousness. And there you have zesty lemon pepper chicken that's perfect for any occasion. Just look at that glossy, tangy gravy coating the tender chicken. It's simply irresistible. Serve it up with rice or bread and don't forget to share your experience with us. Happy cooking!